Mistplay can restrict rewards, block withdrawals, or stop tracking if it detects more than one account on the same device or linked to the same user. By the end of this, you'll know what counts as a duplicate account, how to fix it, and how to protect your rewards. The direct answer is simple. Mistplay is designed for one account per user. If you accidentally created a second account with a different email, Google account, or Facebook login, Mistplay may flag both accounts during verification. The first thing to do is figure out which account has your real progress. Open Mistplay and check which account has your units, reward history, and active game offers. That's usually the account you want to keep. Do not keep switching between both accounts. Mistplay tracks device activity, installs, and gameplay sessions. Constantly changing accounts can make the system treat it like suspicious activity. Next, stop using the duplicate account immediately. Log out of the account with no progress or the wrong login. Then sign back into your main account using the original method you used when you started. That could be Google, Facebook, or email. If you can't access your original account because you forgot the login, use the password reset option if it was an email account. If it was linked to Google or Facebook, use that same connected account to recover access. Now here's the important part. Do not uninstall and reinstall games to move them between accounts. Game progress and reward tracking are tied to the account that originally launched the offer through Mistplay. Reinstalling under a different account may not transfer the offer or progress. If both accounts have progress or Mistplay already flagged you, contact support directly. Go to Profile, then Support, and explain which account is the correct one. Include both email addresses if possible, and tell them which account you want to keep. That gives support a better chance to merge or review the accounts. If you keep using both accounts without fixing it, you risk losing reward eligibility entirely. So the main fix is simple. Identify your main account, stop using the duplicate one, and contact support if both are active. Start by logging into the account with your rewards first. That protects your progress before anything else changes. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick app fixes.